how to shoot like a professional. So if you have an iPhone, you can make videos like a professional by using your iPhone. So even though if you have an old iPhone, so you can still do that. So you just need to go to your setting, your camera settings, set your camera to your best quality. If you have an iPhone 13 or higher, then you can set your raw option. So this is the older iPhone, but you can still set on a 4K video and 108. So that's how you can set your iPhone setting. So if you like the video, so please give the thumbs up and do share with your friends.